Good morning, this is Martin from Australia Towbars Performance. Thank you for watching our video. Today I'm going to talk about possible options for the trailer plug. So in here we've got a boat that comes with a electro-hydraulic brake controller, which means it needs obviously a brake controller in the vehicle to control the brakes, as well as additional power supply to house to actually power up this unit. On this one, to avoid the installation of the Anderson plug, which it can be quite troublesome, we have managed to incorporate it all in a 13-pin plug. So this 13-pin plug is a standard on most European vehicles when they come with the OEM original wiring. It's got a little washer, you can see here, which means it is watertight, and it screws onto your 13-pin socket, so it goes sort of like this in a way, creating a watertight connection. The reason that I love this solution is that it's very simple, because I don't need to think about how many plugs I have to connect to the boat or to your possible camper van. I can simply plug it in, and I know that everything is going to work, including the safety feature like your brakes, like my brakes. So that's one option of doing it. This boat originally came with a 12-pin connector, which they are very quick to rust. This one can rust too, obviously, but with a little bit of dielectric grease, it doesn't do that. So thank you for watching, and please consider this option. For any questions on your camper van or a boat compatibility with your car and the boat plugs, please call our friendly team at Australia Towbars Performance. Many thanks. Bye.